Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate GM Super Cruise settings for safer highway EV trips, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate GM Super Cruise settings for safer highway EV trips, start by ensuring your vehicle is parked and in accessory mode. Locate the Super Cruise button on your steering wheel. This button typically features a steering wheel icon. Press the Super Cruise button to activate the system. Next, check the dashboard for the Super Cruise indicator light. This light should illuminate to confirm the system is ready. Now, set your desired speed using the cruise control lever. Adjust the speed according to the flow of traffic. Ensure you are driving on a compatible highway. Super Cruise is designed for use only on designated hands-free highways. Once you reach the highway, keep your hands near the steering wheel. The system will monitor your hands and head movements for safety. Look for the green light that signals Super Cruise is fully engaged. When active, you're allowed to take your hands off the wheel. Always stay aware of your surroundings while using the system. If you need to take manual control, simply touch the steering wheel. To deactivate, press the Super Cruise button again. Follow all local laws and guidelines while using this technology. Regularly check for software updates to ensure optimal performance. Enjoy your safer highway trips with GM Super Cruise. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.